Shotguns, chainsaws, and mind control. Get ready. This is a good one. This episode of American Landlord, a tenant horror story, is presented by RealSerious.com, where you can screen tenants 24 hours a day. On a few wooded acres, a landlord owned a rural home that was being leased to a very quiet man. He was an older gentleman who kept to himself and enjoyed a beer once in a while. But never did he cause any ruckus or have any complaints from the neighbors in the area. This peaceful tenancy was a landlord's dream that went on for years, until the man allowed his younger brother and his girlfriend to move in. They didn't bring much baggage with them. They had no kids, no pets, but they did have meth. That's right, methamphetamines, the cotton candy cookie crank that will get your chicken flipping. These two enjoyed getting high so often that they ended up getting the old man addicted to the crap, and that's when they broke out the shotguns and chainsaws, because like any other tweakers on rocket fuel, they thought the government was spying on them with drones. That's right, drones. So they went hunting for drones all over the property, and wouldn't you know it, they actually found them everywhere. There was some hiding in a loft in a barn, so they shot the shit out of it. They were spotted high, nesting up in the trees, so they cut them down. Those damn drones couldn't escape the paranoid powder posse. There was even one drone that was especially advanced and camouflaged itself as a deer. Yeah, it may have had a cute bushy tail and tiny little hooves, but that couldn't fool them, so they shot the shit out of that and then sliced it open. This went on for days, and it didn't stop until they started venturing off into the neighbor's land at night with their shotguns and flashlights, hunting for more drones and mumbling about mind control. It took months to sue these crazy crystal clowns because no criminal charges were filed. Yep, that's right. In that part of the country, I guess you're allowed to be a tenant on meth as long as you only destroy a barn, clear the land of trees, and slaughter a poor defenseless deer. But hey, at least they took care of the spy drones.